visit my auntie. I was just taking a stroll around the village. This is a wheelchair. Of course. Only very special people like me can use wheelchairs. Want to see how? Let me show you.
Diretso may katawan mo. Beya yung fit niya yun. Iayos mo yung fit niya.
Tama yun. Ano?